Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday and welcome to Makeup Monday. As you can see by the title, the thumbnail, and to me today we are doing a look inspired by Easter. Oh my god, Easter is on Sunday. Where is time going? Like, what's going on? I feel like this year, is it because I'm getting old? I don't know, but I feel like time just goes by so much faster. Like, the older you get, am I the only one? The older you get, time just like flies by, and then next thing you know, it's freaking Christmas again. Okay, I'm being a little dramatic, but I wanted to do a really simple, very Easter-y look. I know that you guys have been asking me to do more Easter looks, and I try to keep like the makeup tutorials on Mondays, even though I do other like brand reviews and things like that. But yeah, this look is literally an Easter inspired look. We have the pink going on, we have the blue going on, we have purple, we have like neon nails, and how freaking cute. How cute is this nail polish? I got a PR package from LA Colors, and they sent me their new like little gel nail polishes. So this is by the brand LA Colors. Oh my god, I gotta show you guys. They sent me a bunch of their new like gel ones, but this is the one that I used today. This one is called Lucky, and it's just the most gorgeous neon color. It has such a high shine to it. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I've been wanting a color like this for so long. Anyways, I don't want to ramble on too much, but yes, today we are just focusing on the eyes. I know that you guys are not crazy about that when I do only eyes, but I was a little bit in a time crunch. I actually have to hurry my butt up and make some rice and beans because my husband is having a little barbecue at work, and well, actually he offered to make rice and beans, which means that I gotta make the rice and beans. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go with that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, hi, subscribe. We have an amazing little family here in the YouTube channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Grab your notepads, grab your pens if you guys want to take any notes, grab your palettes, and let's get ready. All right, let's get started. I have my little display all set up. We're gonna start by applying our base. You guys can use also a concealer. Don't feel like you have to use this P. Louise base, but I just really like the way that this applies. I like the way that it wears. I like how full coverage it is. But again, if you guys don't have this, you don't need to go out and buy it. Honestly, a concealer works exactly the same. I mean, yeah, this is a good product to use if you guys are like fanatics of eyeshadows, but other than that, just use a concealer. Are you guys so ready for Easter? I feel like this month is like also flying by. Seriously, today is gonna be Monday, and then on the weekend it's Easter. Like, how did that happen? April is gonna fly by. May is coming, summer is coming. I am ready because we live in Utah, okay? And I feel like our summers are so short just because we have very long winters. Like today, it's supposed to be like raining like a maniac. And just a few days ago, it was like so nice and warm outside, and now it's like, boom, cold again. So I'm actually gonna do something that I haven't done in a very long time, and that is set my base. I did this the other day when I did this eyeshadow look, and I just love the way it looked. So I'm gonna take this Pure Cosmetics, the Balancing Act Mattifying Shine Control Powder, and I'm not going to go heavy on it though because I don't want my skin to be too matte. I just want this to be a little bit more dried down, if that makes sense. So just apply a little bit and pat it down. But again, you don't want to go over your primer too much because you don't want to mattify it either. So I just take a little bit, and then I just apply it all over and set the base. Okay, so I feel pretty comfortable with that. Again, I didn't go crazy with setting the eyes because I still want a little bit of the tackiness to stay in put to stay in place. So now let's move in with our first eyeshadow shade. Now again, this look is going to be, it's going to be fairly simple. I don't want to go in with like 4 or 5 different transitional shades. I want to keep it easy, nice and pastel-y. Even though these eyeshadows are not very on the pastel side, I don't have a lot of like pastel eyeshadows, but we're gonna work with what we have, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a flat little brush like this. This is the, oh my gosh, I don't even know. This is, oh, here it is. Low Cornell. I don't know. I got this at like Michael's or Joann's years and years and years ago. And we're taking the shade down at the bottom, which is the brightest pink. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. We're not going to go in with any transitional shades. We're going to go right in. I'm actually going to mix it with the pink at the top, that baby pink, so it's not so much of a harsh, bright neon pink, unless you want to go with that. But again, I want to try and make this as pastel as possible. So we're just mixing these 2 shades together to create a lighter version of that hot pink. And all I'm doing is packing it on all over the lid. I'm going to switch to my Pro blending brush. This is a Beauty Junkies little brush that I have here. And again, I am just repeating the same steps. I'm taking that pink and we're just going to blend that, because obviously we don't want any like crazy harsh lines. And when I think of Easter, I obviously, like I said, I think of pastel colors. I think of pink, I think of purple, I think of like baby blue, just very soft colors in general. I'm also going to go in with this super big brush from J-Cat Beauty. And I'm just going to switch in between brushes. This one is a little bit more precise. It's going to allow you to blend it out into more precise areas. And this is just going to like diffuse color all over the lid. And I'm also going to just extend this out, blow it out a little bit, because personal preference, if you want to round it off, then don't extend it as much. But literally all I did was just mix back and forth the light pink and the dark pink, and I just blended everything. And there's literally no other shade on my lid right now. So now we're going to move on to the waterline. I'm going to take this Pixie Eye Bright Liner. You can totally go with another, like a colorful pencil in the waterline, but I think I just want to keep it with a nude, since we are adding 2 more like bright colors. Now that we have that down, we are adding some purple on the lower lash line. You can use whatever purple you have available to you, but I'm obviously going to take the purple in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this purple actually. I feel like that'll look prettier with the pink. That way it's not so dark. So pick up your color, and again, we're just going to pat it underneath the eyes. Once I have that color packed on, again, I'm going with a brush, and I'm just going to diffuse the color underneath the lash line. And I'm going to take the brush that I used to diffuse the pink. I'm just going to run that through the lower lash line. And that is step number 2. Now, literally to finish off this look, we're going to add a little bit of blue on the inner corner. Digging back into the palette, I think I'm going to pick up this really pretty shade of blue. We're just going to take that and apply that into the inner corner of the eye. I did apply a little bit more of that P. Louise base. Also, if you guys missed my other makeup tutorial, last Monday we did a different look for Easter too. You can also use that for Easter. It's like an all lilac purple look. Oh my god, I am obsessed with that look. I feel like it has to be one of my favorite looks that I've done, and it's so simple. It's one like 2 eyeshadows literally, and I love it. So I'm gonna have a little card if you guys want to check that out. If you want something a little bit more simple, a little bit more toned down, and not as crazy as this, check out that look. There it is. Now you can totally skip the eyeliner, but I feel like this look calls for a very thick wing liner since everything is so simple on the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. Mascara is on. I applied obviously to my top and bottom lashes, and now we're gonna go in with falsies. You guys can skip this step, but if you're gonna do a wing eyeliner, I do suggest for you to like apply some falsies because then it's gonna look a little bit weird. So I'm not sure which lashes I want to go with. These are my lashes with Lash Kitty. If you guys didn't know, if you guys are new, I do have a lash collab with Lash Kitty, and actually my coupon code OMG Lashes right now is good for 20% off. So if you guys are into like super dramatic lashes, you guys have to try these. I think I'm gonna go in with Fabulash. These are a little bit more like spiky, a little bit more spunky, so we're gonna go with these, and I'm going to apply my little lash glue. We're gonna let them dry, and then we can pop them on. I wanted to share with you guys, I'm actually watching, so I am such a like visual person. I enjoy like watching things versus like listening to music when I'm getting ready. If you guys are like me, leave me a comment down below what you guys like to watch while getting ready. But right now I am watching Santa Clarita Diet. Oh my god, I love that show. I watched it when it first like aired on Netflix, and then I stopped watching it, and now I'm watching it again because I noticed that they came out with a season 2. So I'm watching it again, and it just cracks me up. I love Drew Barrymore, so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let's finish off this look. We are applying some lip liner. You guys know this is like my thing to apply lip liner. I'm actually going to take not the Italia lip liner like I always do. This is the e.l.f. lip liner, and I have no idea what shade. I think this is in the shade like Nude or something. Really don't know. It doesn't have a name. So we're just going to line the lips, and then I'm going to take a mix of these 2 lipsticks. This is the Makeup Revolution in Inspiration, which is more of a peachy color. And then I'm going to mix a little bit of the MAC Naturally Transformed. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my MAC lipstick. This is just going to lighten it a little bit. You guys see that? I'm going to go in with this Ofra lip gloss. I got this in PR. This is in the shade Stretch, and it's called the Flexi Slick. Oh my god, this lip gloss is so stunning. It comes in a little doe foot applicator like this. It really reminds me of the Fenty Beauty applicator where it's a little bit big. Oh, I love this shade. I really want my skin to be a little bit dewy, so I'm just going to take that L'Oreal Glow Mist, and I'm just going to spray it like right here because this area gets super oily for me. And that is it, you guys. This is my version of an Easter Sunday makeup look. Super colorful, very bright, very bold. Again, I wish I had eyeshadow colors that were more on the pastel side to really make this color or this eyeshadow more on the pastel family, but it is what it is. I still think this look is very pretty and very Easter appropriate. If you guys have like, I don't know, like a cookout planned or a dinner, whatever it is, you guys should try out this look and totally tag me on Instagram. You guys, I always try to show you love, you know that. So that is it for this super easy Easter makeup look. Share with me what you think in the comment section down below, if this is a look that you would wear, if it's a little too much, or what are you guys doing for Easter Sunday? Let me know. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.